Question number 16. We have given the cost of 5 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is rupees 60. The cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat, kg rice is rupees 90. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Let the cost of onion be rupees X and the cost of wheat be rupees Y and the cost of rice be rupees Z. According to question, by matrix method, first equation will be 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60 and the cost of 2 kg 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. And third equation, the cost of 6 onion 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. A is equal to 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 3 and B is equal to 60, 90 and 70. First of all, we find the determinant of A is equal to 4. First column neglect 4, 6, 2, 3 minus 3. First row second column neglect 2, 6, 6, 3 and plus 2. First row third column neglect 2, 4, 6, 2. Determinant of A is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 12 minus 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 6 are 36 plus 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 6 4s are 24 and determinant of A is equal to 4. 12 minus 12 0 minus 3. 36 minus 6 that is 30 minus 30 plus 2 minus 20. Determinant of A is equal to 0 plus 33s are positive 90 minus 40, 22s are 40. This implies determinant of A is equal to 50. 90 minus 40 is equal to 50 and A inverse exists. So A inverse exists and we find the cofactor. We find the cofactor C11, C12, C13. C11 is 0 and this will be positive 30, C12 and C13 is negative 20. 0, positive 30, negative 20. And C21, C22, C23. C21, C2 1. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, but negative 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. This number multiplied by minus, that will be minus 5. And C2, 2. 3 4s are 12, minus 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. And C2, 3. 4 2s are 8 minus 18, that is equal to minus 10. And minus multiplied by minus, that will be positive 10. 2 plus 3 is 5, that will be positive 10. And C31, C32, C33. C31, 3 1. 6 3s are 18 minus 8, that is equal to 10. And C3 2. 6 4s are 24 minus 4, that is equal to 20, but negative 20. 3 plus 2 is 5, this will be negative 20. C3 3. 4 4s are 16 minus 6 equal to 10, that will be positive 10. Adjoint of A is equal to 0, 30 minus 20, minus 5, 0, 10, 10 minus 20, 10. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. This implies A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A, we get 50, and adjoint A we have 0 minus 5, 10, 30, 0 minus 20, minus 20, 10, 10. Ax is equal to B. This implies x is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to x, y, and z. So x, y, z is equal to A inverse, we have 1 upon 50 into 0 minus 5, 10, and 30, 0 minus 20, minus 20, 10, 10, and B is equal to 60, minus 60, 90, and 70. B is equal to 60, 90, 70. 60, 90, and 70. This implies x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 50, 0, 9 5s are 45, minus 450, and plus 700. 30 into 60, 1800, plus 0, minus 1400. 2012, 1200 negative, plus 900, plus 700. X, y, Z is equal to 1 upon 50. 700 minus 450, that is 250. 1800 minus 1400, that is equal to 400. 700 plus 900 is equal to 1600, and 1600 minus 1200, that is equal to 400. This implies x is equal to 250 upon 50, that is equal to 5, and y is equal to 400 upon 50, that is equal to 8, and z is equal to 400 upon 50, that is equal to 8. So cost of onion be 5 rupees per kg, and cost of wheat be 8 rupees per kg, cost of rice be 8 rupees per kg. Answer. Cost of onion is equal to rupees 5 per kg. Cost of wheat is equal to rupees 8 per kg. Cost of rice is equal to rupees 8 per kg. Answer. Let the cost of onion be rupees X, cost of wheat be rupees Y, and cost of rice be rupees Z respectively. According to question, 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 60. Its equation first. And 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90. Its equation second. And 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70. Equation number third. And in matrix form, A can be written as 4, 3, 2 in first row, 2, 4, 6 in second row, and 6, 2, 3 in third row. It's A, and B is equal to 60, 90, and 70. We find, first of all, we find the determinant of A, that is equal to 4 is 4, first row, first column neglect, and 4, 6, 2, 3 in bracket, and second time minus 3, first row, second column neglect, 2, 6, 6, 3 in bracket and multiplying, plus 2, first row, third column neglect, 2, 4, 6, 2 in bracket, and 2, 4 3s are 12, minus 12 is 0, 3 2s are 6, minus 36 is equal to minus 30, and 2 2s are 4, minus 24 equal to minus 20. 0 multiplied by 4, that will be 0, and 30 multiplied by 3 is positive 90, and 22s are negative 40. 90 minus 40, we get determinant of A is equal to 50. So A inverse exists, and we find the cofactor of matrix A, C11, C12, C13, that is equal to 0, 30, and minus 20. 0, 30, and minus 20. C21, C22, C33. Similarly, we find minus 5, 0, 10, and C31, C32, C33 equal to 10, minus 20, and 10. So adjoint of A is 0, 30, minus 20, minus 5, 0, 10, 10 minus 20, and 10. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. We have determinant of A is equal to 50. So A inverse equal to 1 upon 50 into adjoint A is 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10, 10. And Ax equal to B, this implies x equal to A inverse B, and value of B is 60, 90, 70 in column direction. So B, we are multiplying 0 into 60, that will be 0, and minus 5 into 90, that is minus 450. 10 into 70 is equal to 700, and 30 multiplied by 60 is equal to 1800. 0 multiplied by something, that will be 0. 20 multiplied by 70, that is 1400, and minus 20 multiplied by 60 is minus 1200. 10 multiplied by 90 is 900. 10 multiplied by 70 is 700, and 700 minus 450, that will be 250, and 1 upon 50, it's determinant of A, and 250, 1800 minus 1400 is 400, and 900 plus 700 we get 1600, minus 1200, that will be 400. 250 divides 50, we get the value of x. 250 divides 50 is 5 times, and value of x is 5. And 400 divides 50 8 times, 0 0 is cancelled, and 8 5s are 40. And similarly 400 divides 50 is 8 times. We get the value of x, y, and z. So the cost of onion is equal to rupees 5 per kg, and cost of wheat is equal to rupees 8 per kg. Cost of rice is equal to rupees 8 per kg. Answer. Thank you so much.